lang din. Oo. Pero may gusto pa kayong sabihin sa inyong Dunkin family na 18 din naman talaga at totoong supportan nyo from 4-5 years ago hanggang ngayon.
We know naman that Dunkin is one of the big brands na talaga nagtiwala sa SB19. We're very thankful na hanggang ngayon nagtitiwala sila sa skills namin, nagtitiwala sila sa aming lima na ang dami namin pinagdaanan but nandiyan sila sa likod namin just to support us and just to uplift everyone sa team namin. Maraming salamat po Dunkin family for always supporting us and loving us and na nagdaang ilang taon nating magkakasama. Napakasaya po since day one. Pero day 1 nag-usap, tapos day 2 yung contract signing. So, since day 2. So, thank you so much for Dunkin. Maraming salamat po.
May point ka doon. May point ka doon. So, bakit day 1?
Day 1 hindi ka fan. Siyempre day 1 pinanood ka. So, kung naging fan, day 2 kinontak. Day 3 pala yung contract signing.
Tama.
Maraming salamat po. And until now, day 1,464 and 8 hours. Maraming salamat po for supporting us as BNT. And sana po marami po tayo magawa together as a family. And sana marami po tayo ma-inspire at matulungan mga kababayan natin. Thank you so much for that. Salamat po. And of course, 18, maraming salamat po sa pag-support din sa namin. Thank you.
Aww. Pero grabe, sobrang appreciate natin si Ninang Dunkin, no? Palakpakan naman natin si Ninang Dunkin for their love and support. Tsaka, grabe, dahil dito sa Thanksgiving na to, mas na-appreciate natin ang SB19, ang kanilang 6 years so far. So, thank you so much for this Thanksgiving presented to us by Dunkin. It's such a perfect time to celebrate the wonderful 6 years with our Mahalama. They have drastically changed not only the landscape of P-pop, but our personal lives as well. Because of their songs, performances, kahit na mga pasimpleng post at high
libo sa mga kasi sila na bibigay namin lahat sa inyo kasi ayun kami lang kung bakit nandito kami ngayon. Kung ano man yung mga na-achieve namin at mga achieve namin in the future. Kasama kayo at yung parang dahilan doon. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Yun ako, maraming salamat po sa mga natin. Gusto ko siguro sabihin, ayun mo, with all these things sa pinagdaan natin, lagi natin titignan ang pinagsimulan mo, pinagbulan mo. Because of that, syempre excited kami sa future, sa mga paparating na ganap at mga bagay.
So before we end this night, we want to leave you with a message of all the love. No matter where life takes us, remember natin yung moment na always connected through our music. Maraming salamat.
Pero bago ang lahat, gusto muna ulit namin pasalamatan, of course, Onesie family. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
And of course, Coach J and W3. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, our band. Thank you so much. And DJ Aiden Cruz as our wonderful and pretty host tonight. Thank you so much. Of course, Dunkin. Maraming salamat. Dunkin and at forever, Mahal 18. Thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you.
At mahal na mahal din kayo ng lahat. Thank you very much, SB19, for giving us your time, talent, and everything in between just when we needed them the most. You truly are a blessing to a lot of people. Maraming salamat. And siguro, one last gift for 18. Ano ba ang dapat namin abangan from SB19?
Actually, pili ko naman alam ng lahat kung ano na yung pinaghahandaan and next for SB19. Saan kayo excited? Ano? Saan? Ano ulit? Oh, inantay nila yun. Paano ba yun? Okay na? Okay na? Ayun, sabi ni Pablo, ready na daw. Sorry pa kaya?
Pero di ba maniwala tayo sa SB19? Di ba maniwala din tayo pag sinabi na ng big yun. Saka talagang worth the wait naman talaga ang SB19.
Yeah.
So, aabangan natin yan, 18! Ayan, kaabang-abang talaga yan. Thank you, SB19. And thank you, 18, for joining us on such a special evening. Muli, this has been Ai de la Cruz, and we shall see you all again tomorrow on Thanksgiving Day 2! And now, gentlemen, join me on giving the floor to the one and only
W!